7 days ago today, I launched a new Etsy dropshipping store, and in that time, it has done 35 orders, £677 in revenue, and at a 2.2% conversion rate. The best part, it's completely organic, and you'll be shocked to know that this store only has 6 listings. So the main thing you have to focus on to launch a store like this is the product research. You can kind of see it as a way of like nothing else truly matters until the product is found, because you can create the best design store, the best flows, the most well-optimized listing anyone's ever seen, but you're selling the wrong product. You want to build POC, which is proof of concept, and in that time is where you test the waters and you monitor your competition. So I'm going to show you some of the strategies that we use to do that, but it's on steroids. So what you want to go ahead and do is download a tool called Everbee. The link is in the description, and once that's all set up, we want to head over to Etsy and we want to do some pretty vague searches. So for this, I have just typed in fall decor. So what we want to do is come over here, product analytics, and now we open this up, and over here we want to click this search entire database. So now this is going through all of the listings on Etsy that match this criteria, and it's pulled 211,000. Now we come over to filters. For listing age, we do a max of 1. That means it is 1 month old, and max favorites we want to do around 120. And now what we do here is let's just filter it by monthly sales. We are now seeing all of the listings that are no more than a month old, no more than 120 favorites. And look, in the first month, they've done 174 sales, 153, 143, 128. So now we are finding these products. There's POC behind them. There's proof of concept behind these products. They're already performing extremely well on the platform. So now we go and dive in deep. So check out this. Let's check it out. So we have a bestseller. It's a door corner decor on a brand new store, 320, poorly laid out store who's just selling these corner decors. And now this type of product is going to be falling off as we get closer to Halloween. So look, they're now coming into the Christmas style. Now, what is their Christmas ones like? Now we quickly open them up. 3 buys in the last 24 hours, 78 favorites. Now let's just analyze it. So it's a month old. This is probably a bit behind because of how new it is. So it's already doing extremely well. Now again here, 12 baskets. You know, so these are building very nicely for a brand new niche. I would now be considering launching a store around this. You know, and look, they're just selling pretty generic products. They only have 26. Only a few of them are poorly selling. Only on Etsy this year. And if we go through here, just filter by most recent and go to that earliest review. The earliest review came in 9 days ago. So let's just say they started at the start of October and they've done 320 sales. So I would really be looking into this. Now, of course, we want to actually find the product. So we use our search goods on AliExpress by this image tool. Okay, so now we've found some of the products. Here we go. Let's open it up. As you can see, cheap as chips. Let's see what shipping is. £5. And look here, we are getting a ton of other suggestions, right? A ton of them. So we now know that there is good supplies for these. There's an abundance of products that we can get in. It's already have POC. It's already been tested. We know how it performs on the platform. We have inspiration to look at. We have a case study to build from. We have keywords to target. We can see everything in here using Etsy Hunt. We can see all the details. We can go into analyze. We can see the keywords in here, right? We can see all their back-end settings, right? So the shop's been going for 5 months, but it only got its first sales at the start of this month. So once you start piecing all of these parts together, you're able to build up enough data from the platform itself to tell you whether you are doing the right thing, whether the products you're looking to sell is the right products. And you can also do this just to build proof of concept for any niche that you might be in, right? So maybe you are selling snowflake earrings. So now you can see here, a lot of people in here, fair bit of competition, snowflake earrings. You're trying to find the big boys. Now, a little tip not many people show is you used to be able to filter by best sellers. You can't do that anymore. So you come in here, you click star seller, apply, and then you come up to the URL, you come here and you type in best. And now we're filtering by best sellers. That's a nice little tip, but let's forget about that. So we have snowflake earrings. Let's go over to product analytics, search entire database again, put those same filters in, boom, 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 filter by monthly sales. So again, we have snowflake earrings, 40, 36. They're building nicely. They're not going to be selling too much now, late October, but come November, they will be. So you're able to actually test your niches. Am I in the right niche? Am I selling the right products? What can I do to improve? Oh, I'm struggling to find my competition that's at the same similar stage to me or where I want to be. This is how you do it, guys. It is so easy. So I hope this video helped you. It is such a good way of finding products before you even get onto Etsy platform itself, right? This works for any niche, any type of product, anything. Please do this before launching your next Etsy store. You will save so much time. And talking about time, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. I hope it gave you some insight on how to grow your Etsy stores. If you're not part of our community, be sure to join. It's discord.gg/Etsy. And I can't wait to see you in the next one, folks.